Dr. Bob McCauley, how much water should we drink? So Tom Brady, the very famous football player, he's a quarterback for the Patriots. And that's about all I know about this guy. I'm not a sports fan. I'm not a football fan. So the only reason he came up on my radar is because he wrote a book and he says, here's what I do to stay healthy. And he doesn't like nightshade plants, things like, like tomatoes. I have no problem with those. I don't know what he's thinking about. But this is kind of his ideas and what works for him, and that's fine. It's really not my plan. It certainly isn't my health protocol. But I want to address one thing that he made a lot of big, noise about, and that was how much water he drinks. Now, he's a tremendous water drinker. I mean, it's really kind of crazy. 37 glasses a day. Now, I don't know. Is that 37 8-ounce glasses? Because 37 8-ounce glasses is way too much. I mean, even I don't recommend that. Now, as I said all the time, the first thing I do in the morning, I get up, have 2 glasses of water just like that. And it's alkaline ionized water. Very powerful antioxidant, has a negative charge, has an abundance of electrons, extremely alkaline. Small water molecule clusters, extremely hydrating. So the best substance that you can possibly put into your body, the best kind of water. There's nothing more important than water, and there's no better water than alkaline ionized water, period. It's the healthiest substance. I wrote a book on it, The Miraculous Properties of Ionized Water, the definitive guide to the world's healthiest substance. So that's the kind of water I drink. If I couldn't get that, I would drink a bottled water or really well-filtered tap water. So I drink one of these right away, get up, get it, chug it down, get another one. Now, I make a point here. Never drink more than 1 liter or quart per hour. Extremely dangerous as you get this hypotremia, which is, basically, your body just has too much water than it can process. And that's very, very true. It's very, very dangerous to drink more. You don't need that. Your body can't process that much. There's no doubt about that. Other than that, then when's the other time you never drink water? Well, I don't drink water right before I go to bed because I'm going to be getting up all night and going to the bathroom, but never drink water with your meals. That's the next rule. Never ever drink water with any of your meals, because what's happening is you're diluting your digestive process, your entire digestive tract. You're diluting the hydrochloric acid, especially with alkaline water, alkaline ionized water like I got here, and you're washing out your enzymes and the friendly bacteria, the probiotics, the acidophilus and bifidus, and everything trying to get at the food. So it's a very bad idea to drink any kind of liquid at all, really, with your meals. I don't drink really anything. What I do is about 20-30 minutes before I eat, I drink a bunch of water. I drink a big couple glasses, 1 or 2 like this. I'm well hydrated, and it took a little getting used to, but I just don't need to drink water like I used to sit there and drink water. Of course, I used to sit there and drink milk, and I used to drink all sorts of beverages and everything with my meals. I never drink anything. You'll have a lot better digestion. So that's when you should not drink it. Other than that, and by the way, after you're done eating, then you wait a half an hour to an hour, and then you don't eat anymore. You just wait and give yourself an hour. I wait really an hour and a half before I eat again. You'll have a lot better digestion. And then I start drinking water. As a little aside, fasting is the healthiest thing. Water fasting is the healthiest thing you can do for yourself. And I'll do a video on that at some point here. Having said all this, how much water do I drink a day, every single day? Well, I drink about 1.5 gallons on average. 1.5 gallons of water. Up to 2 gallons at the very most. Usually, like in the summer, I'm working out a lot and that kind of stuff. So 1.5 gallons to 2 gallons. Never around meal time. And that's about it. So I don't know, Tom Brady, 37 glasses of water a day. It seems pretty excessive to me. You really don't need to drink water. And it seems to me like you're not giving yourself enough time to really do that digestion thing. As I said, just clear your stomach. I take some, right before I eat, I take some spirulina and chlorella, and then I take probiotics, the friendly bacteria, and then I eat. And I eat a salad. And, we eat a lot of dry foods, eat bread and this kind of stuff. So that makes you really thirsty. So stay away from that stuff. But that's what I do. And but if you're drinking 37 glasses a day, I don't see how you're going to be drinking water with your meals and all this kind of stuff. That's a bad idea. 37 glasses of water a day, man, this is just really, really excessive. Somebody said this would kill the average person. Well, it would. It would kill anyone. You don't want to drink that amount of water. So, and I don't know, he doesn't really specify in what I've read. I haven't read his book, but when he drinks that throughout the day and how he does it and all that kind of stuff. Obviously, one of the greatest quarterbacks of all time, but not a health guy like yours truly. Okay, not a quarterback, not one of the greatest quarterbacks of all time. Okay, but a health guy. And Tom Brady, one of the greatest quarterbacks of all time, not a health guy. Yeah, I'll let you decide who you want to listen to. Dr. Bob McCauley, I'll see you next time. Visit us at watershed.net.